River scenes passing by, forest trees. River winding through the trees, dancing softly with the breeze. Sunlight resting on the leaves, painting patterns none can keep. Flowers waking one by one, greeting earth and greeting sun. Every color soft